Do you want to enjoy your favorite cup of coffee that you usually have at your favorite cafe? Frothy, creamy, with a perfect balance in flavors? If yes, then you really need to invest in this product today. Hi everyone, I'm Ankita and today we will talk about Morphy Richards Espresso Cappuccino Coffee Maker. But talking of the body and design of the product, I have to tell you that this coffee maker is so beautiful to look at. It's quite light and it can be stored anywhere. It is made of high grade ABS plastic. That means it's literally unbreakable. Now it comes with multiple attachments to make your coffee making very easy. It has a water storage tank on top. You can open it and simply put in the water with the carafe and close it. It has a heat and steam adjusting knob to adjust the intensity. And if you look in the front, this has the strength controller knob. It controls the strength of the coffee and the frothing of the milk to make your cappuccino. It comes with a plastic nozzle and it comes with an anti-drip tray which can be easily cleaned. It's removable as well. If you look at the side, it has an on and off switch. Now talking about the attachments, this is the filter attachment. It comes with a double filter system. This is the first filter wherein you'll put the coffee. It goes inside the filter holder and you can simply lock it in. It also comes with a heat resistant carafe. It has a 4-cup capacity and it is mentioned right on top. It has a plastic lid which can be opened easily to clean, and it also comes with a plastic handle which is heat resistant. All you need to do is put the carafe here and you're good to go. It also comes with a measuring spoon with a filter locking mechanism. That means it simply locks your coffee inside the filter. If you look at the bottom, you can see that it has 5 sturdy black legs. It's got rubber legs and an air vent at the bottom to ensure that it doesn't heat up too much. Now talking about the cord is short but it's quite thick and it's heat resistant. It can go into any 3-pin socket in your house. Now talking about the features of the product, it is so easy to use and it can be stored anywhere. It can be placed anywhere in your kitchen. It occupies a little space but that's okay to enjoy your favorite cup of coffee. It comes with a 2-year product warranty and has an 800-watt powerful motor. If I talk about using the product, all you need to do is open the top water tank knob, fill up the water as per the measurement in the carafe. Once you lock the knob, you have the steam knob. You can just roll it and adjust the strength of the steam. Let it be on for a while. Then in the meantime, you can take your coffee filter. You can put the filter coffee over here and with the back of the measuring spoon, just lock the coffee inside and simply attach the handle over here. Then switch on the unit. Place the carafe right underneath the filter and the entire coffee will come into your carafe. Now you can easily enjoy your espresso coffee. To make a latte or a cappuccino, all you need to do is empty the carafe, put in water again in the tank, adjust the steam knob at the side and wait for it to start steaming. Now fill the carafe with milk and open the lid and put it right underneath the nozzle and you can start the machine at the side and it will start frothing. You can adjust the intensity of the froth by moving the strength knob at the right, and if you want to adjust the intensity of the coffee, please move it to the left. Once you're done, pour the milk into your coffee cup and you have your favorite cappuccino ready in minutes. And another very good thing is that it is very easy to clean and maintain. Because it has this removable anti-drip tray, you can remove this entire piece Open it up, clean it under water, rinse it, wipe it dry, and put it back inside again. You can remove all the attachments and clean it under water, and you can wipe it dry before you put it so that it has an increased shelf life. So I really hope the Morphy Richards 800 watts Europa espresso coffee maker serves all your coffee making needs, and you can relish your perfect cup of coffee every single day. Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing of Morphy Richards Europa Espresso Cappuccino Coffee Maker. As you can see, it comes in a fairly large box which has a product picture right on top, and it comes with a 2-year product warranty. If we flip this to the side, you can see that it has all the details of the product mentioned right over here, like the steam control knob. It has a milk frothing nozzle. It's very easy to clean. It has a safety relief valve and all the key features. If you look on top, you can see that it has the product model, the item code, the net quantity, the MRP, the country of origin, as well as the customer care details right over here in case of any problem. So without any further ado, let's open the box. Now, if I talk about the main product, the Morphy Richards Europa Espresso Cappuccino Coffee Maker is quite beautiful to look at. It's very bulky. It comes with a very handy user manual which will give you all the instructions and all the details about the attachments. It also has a warranty card, a 2-year warranty card. This is the main unit. It is so beautiful, and you can see that it is quite heavy, and it has a silver and black finish. It gives it a very elegant look. Now it has an on and off button right over here. Just one single switch to switch on and off. This is the frothing nozzle, the milk frothing nozzle. Now this is the coffee strength selector. You can simply move it to select the strength of the coffee, and this is where you can make your cappuccino. You can froth it by moving this nozzle. This is the filter where you can put the coffee in. You can simply put the carafe inside. This is a small carafe that comes with it. It has a 400 ml capacity. That means it can accommodate up to 4 cups of coffee. And this is the carafe lid. It's easy to use and it's very easy to clean. It's made of unbreakable borosilicate glass. You simply put the carafe at the bottom. Now if you look at the top, you can see that it has this a small lid that you can open. You can pour water inside, and then you can close the lid. Now this water is going to help you to make the coffee in whichever consistency that you want. The knob at the side is actually the steam adjuster. You can adjust the steam of the coffee. You can make it as hot or as warm as you like. If you look down, you have a detachable filter right at the bottom. This is actually the cleaning vent, and you can remove it in case the water spills or your coffee falls. You can remove it, you can clean it, and you can put it back again. If you come to the bottom, you'll see that it has the air vents right over here, which make it very easy for it to operate, and it doesn't heat up very easily as well. It has these 3 rubber legs which make it very easy to support on any hard surface. It also comes with a measuring spoon so that you know how much coffee you're putting inside the filter. If you come to the cord, it has a short cord, but it's quite thick. It's heat resistant, and it can go into any 3-pin socket in your house. So that's it for the unboxing of the Morphy Richards Europa Espresso Cappuccino Coffee Maker.